Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to be working on the abdominals. We're going to make our core nice and strong 10 minutes at a time. Before you start any physical activity, please be sure to consult your doctor. And when you're ready, let's start on the mat. All right, we're going to lie down flat. Feet are up, planted on the floor. Knees are up. And we're going to clasp our hands together. We're going to put them underneath our head. And let's talk about form for a minute first. So our elbows are going to be back down here, and we're going to keep them here for the whole time. Our chin to the chest, there's going to be a little gap where I can put an imaginary golf ball, and it's going to stay there the whole time. In order to make sure we don't have any strain on our neck, I'm shaking my head, no strain. As I move side to side, I can be sure that all the weight is comfortably resting in the palms of my hands. All right, before we come up for a crunch, we're going to inhale and lock our tummy muscles. We're going to work those tummy muscles. And as we come up, we're going to exhale, and we're going to only go up a few inches. Let's go for 10. 10, 9, nice and slow. 8, keep those elbows back. 6, 5, chin is up. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it up. Let's extend our legs. All right. If this bothers your hips for some reason, you can always bend your knees slightly. Just make sure that your lower back is glued to the floor. And then let's crunch it up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway there. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, let's bring those knees in. As we bring the knee in, we want to make sure there's a gap between the butt and the floor. Out. That's 2. We're going for 10 again. 4, 5, 6, 7, doing well. 8, 9, and 10. One leg in at a time, right and left. Modified bicycles, if you will. 5, elbows are still back. No neck strain. Last 2. Here we go. All right, now we're going to lean on one side. We're completely balanced on the right hip. It's okay if your right shoulder is down. Support that head, and we're going to work our obliques, or the sides of the belly muscles. We're going to let our elbow meet the knee, and we should be feeling it here. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, other side. Here we go. Flip it over. Right elbow to the right knee. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, bring it back. Starting position. Holding that head up just slightly. Still got a gap here between the chin and the chest. And we're going to take our right elbow toward our right waist, our right hip. Continuing to work the obliques. 5, halfway there. 6, 7, 8, 9. We've got one more exercise before halftime. We're going to take our feet out. Our head is hovering over the ground. Our feet are hovering over the ground. And we're going to bring ourselves up. And if this is easier to do with your hands out, you can do that. That's a modification. We're going to go for 10 at your own pace. I think that's 4 for me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. All right, let's stretch it out. We're halfway there, y'all. Stretch it out, elongate the arms and the legs, and really stretch out the belly muscles. Puff the belly up. Take a nice deep breath. Let's go again. Stretch out the belly muscles we just worked so hard on. All right, let's do one more deep breath. All right, come on up. Let's go again. Ready? All right, making sure the elbows are back, chin is up, no strain on the neck, and we'll pulse it. Slow pulses for 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Feet out, elongated, knee can be slightly bent. Protect that back, make sure it's planted on the floor for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in, bring the knees in. Making sure there's a gap between the butt and the floor. That's 2. Over 3. Elbows are still back. Chin is still up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, one leg in at a time. Modified bicycles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whew, I feel it. 9 and 10. Rolling on my right hip, working the obliques. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Going to the other side. Here we go. Left hip, right elbow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Coming back to center, and we're going to work the obliques. Side crunches. 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway there. One more exercise after this, and then we're done. 8, 9. Last one here. All right, we're going to come up on our sit bones. There's 1. Hovering over the floor, coming up on our sit bones, hovering. And if you like to use your hands, just a little bit of help, that's okay too. Still getting the benefit of the workout. 6, 7, 8, almost done. 2 more. 9, and 10. Whew. All right, stretch it out. Nice long stretch. Deep breath. Let that good oxygen get to your belly muscles. Couple more. I like to really puff out my belly muscles. Nice long stretch. Last one. All right, I'm gonna sit up. Whew. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed that abdominal workout. If you like this content, I hope that you'll subscribe. I can let you know when I have new videos coming out. For now, have a wonderful day. And as always, be well.